We're in San Francisco, California. Purpose of the video today, removing all this white stuff you see is the glue and the leftover glue and linoleum. It's all from linoleum. What we're doing is you come over here, we're removing it. We have a chemical process that we're doing. We're melting all that old glue off. This particular customer is trying to restore the bathroom back to like it was in 1940 or whenever this thing was built. So that's what we're helping her achieve. Purpose of the video, you have to use a chemical, you have to melt it off, you can't scratch it, you can't scrape at it, you'll damage the tile, so you have to chemically melt it off. And as you can see, that's what we're doing here. You can see we've already kind of got it down to where it's like manageable now. And then we'll come back and we're just kind of detailing all the grout here. Get all the little stuff in between it. Get it as perfect as we can. It's all physical work. As you can see, no machines. A job like this is just a lot of knowledge, so I'm giving you this one for free, people. We also do this to, if you had carpet glued down before, like sometimes people do get older and they need a floor to be softer, they'll glue carpet down to tile. So there's plenty of times we've stripped carpet glue, lifted up tack strips that were glued, so those are other things that we offer as far as removing this stuff. So anyway, though, you should like us, you should subscribe. Most importantly of all is to stay informed. If you have old tile like this and they covered it and you're trying to bring it back, this is one way you could do it. Alright, like us. Have a good day.